Hello guys, welcome to the YouTube channel of Chem Academy. First of all, for all who haven't subscribed our channel yet, please hit the bell icon and stay connected with us. So today I am here with a very interesting session for the students who are deciding to pursue for MSc. IIT. IIT is one of the very prestigious colleges in India, and doing BTech from these colleges probably we all know about it. But from 2004, IIT decided to conduct an examination, IIT JAM. This is usually for the admission for MSc from IITs. IIT JAM. Here JAM stands for Joint Admission Test for MSc. It is usually a 3-hour duration test which takes place in the mid of February. The exam is conducted generally in 7 subjects: physics, chemistry, maths, mathematical statistics, biotechnology, biological sciences and geology. From this examination, one can get into IITs, NITs, and also students can enroll in integrated PhD course from IISc and IISER. However, these two colleges require interview round also, but IITs and NITs directly take students on the merit basis. Different IITs and IIScs participating conduct this examination on rotational basis. This year, IIT JAM 2021 was conducted by IISc Bangalore. This exam is usually conducted in 2 shifts. 4 subjects have their examination in the evening shift and 3 subjects have their examination in the morning shift. So, students who aspire to give this examination in more than one subject can do so easily, provided that the timing for both of the exams are different and they should be eligibly qualified for both of them. For the eligibility criteria, first, this is open for all the nationalities. Second, there is no such age restriction that matters in IIT JAM examination. Third, candidates should have bachelor's degree or should be in the final year of their graduation. Fourth and the most important, 55% marks should be secured by the candidate in their bachelor's degree. However, for SC, ST or PWD students, the aggregate must be of 50%. Moving forward on the exam pattern. As I have already told, this is an online based examination and carries a total of 100 marks. The question paper is divided into 3 sections and total of 60 questions. Section A contains total 30 questions and is MCQ type. 10 questions carry 1 marks and 20 questions carry 2 marks. Section B is MSQ type. In more than one option can be correct. And this section contains 10 questions, each carrying 2 marks. Lastly, section C is NAT, numerical answer type question, in which you have to calculate the value and report the approximate or the nearest integer value in the box. This section comprises of total 20 questions, 10 1-mark questions and 10 2-mark questions. Now, talking about the marking scheme. Section A. Generally, negative marking is involved in section A only. For 1-mark question in section A, 1/3 marks are deducted, and for 2-mark questions, 2/3 marks are deducted for every incorrect answer. There is no such negative marking involved in section B and section C. And for the questions unattempted, you will be given 0 marks for that. Lastly, talking about the important dates you should mark before preparing this examination. The online registration forms would be available in the month of September. As I have already told, this exam takes place in the mid-February. Official answer key gets released by the respective institute that conducted this exam in the respective year in the span of around 15 days after the exam date. And the result declaration takes place in the month of March, where you get to know about your AIR and the total marks obtained. Then in the month of April, you are asked to fill the preference order in which IIT you want to get in. And then lastly, in June and July, different IITs releases their opening and closing ranks, and according to your preference, you can enroll in different IITs according to your wish. So if you like this video, do not forget to like, comment and share this session with your friends. And still, if you have any query left, do not forget to comment in the comment section below. Thank you.